dragonfly. Look, oh, ang pretty niya. Ayan. Thank you po. Another dragonfly I saw. Ayan, ang pretty niya. Pangatlo ko na to. Yung nakadapo na dragonfly. So pretty, amazing. Thank you for letting me take photos and videos of you. Thank God for your wonderful creation. Bye-bye, dragonfly. Take care on your journey.